Hello makers. Okay, today I'm going to take my little prototype of a death clock. It counts down the seconds to the end of your life. It's very motivating. And we're going to make it into something that keeps counting and has a battery backup. Just move my little prototype out of the way. Gonna need that. Need a cable. Oh, okay. Let's put some tunes on. Okay, the music is by Kiki goes... Oh, the music is by Nightlights, and the band's album is Kiki Goes to Tokyo. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. See if we can get this done before this is over. Used with Nightlights' permission. Thank you very much. There'll be a link to their music in the description. This is a 18650 battery charger with a USB, it's a holder with a charger built in. So negative, positive. So I'm going to use this. I need a boost converter to get up to the 5 volts for the screen. Oh, seems so much easier. There. These are great. Oh. Finish is a little rough on this. I don't want to get any of these little fiberglass shreds stuck in my fingers. Okay, so I should check this, make sure this works. I haven't had a problem. But no point putting something together and all the lights don't light up. Okay, that's charging. That'll be fine. And this guy... This is just a chunk of steel from inside a very large bearing assembly. And I stick some blue tack on it. And that is for my third helping hand. Now if I could find my soldering gun, or iron. Where are you? Oh, there it is. Okay. I'm getting a little disorganized here. I'm at the end of my stretch in my lab. There we go. A little bit of solder. Now, let's crank this up. steel wool. Well, a pot scrubby stainless steel from the dollar store. Tin everything. Go. And no point doing this with a battery in here. You know what? I'm gonna do it anyway. Screw safety. Just gonna tin this. I find the low lead solder doesn't really stick very well, so yeah, I take the high lead solder. We need a brain. Grab a nano. You don't have to do that. But I don't like getting little slivers into me. Okay, according to my diagram here, we're going to be hooking up to where are you? Ground, VCC, SDA, and SCL. So that's the display. Ground, VCC, SDA, SCL. Battery charger will plug into USB. I'll get positive and negative off the back. And I gotta hook up to the nano VN, which will be 5 volts positive off the battery, ground. 5 out goes to VCC on the display. A5 goes to SCL, A4 goes to SDA. So I'm going to cross a couple wires. Let's get this ready. Go. Tin these. Straighten out. Running a little low on solder. Go. So everything I need is on this side. So we got ground, VCC, SDA, SCL. So SCL is red and SCL goes to A5. we'll have to cross these. Put that down for a sec. I'm going to put these in from the back. SCL A5. A4 is SDA. So the white one goes to A4. Then 5 volts will be green, ground is black, just gonna bend those over a little and keep them in place. There. Alright, so we've got A5 attached to, well, we got, yeah, A5 attached to SDL, A4 attached to SDA, VCC to the green wire, 5 volts, which is 5 volts out to the display, ground to ground. I got ground here, and I got 5 volts in, I got voltage in here. That's okay. I'm no professional. I admit that. So V in, oh, upside down. V in. That'll work. Need a wire. Sorry. Negative. So 4.2. 16. Let's see if we can get this reading while I'm turning it. See, if I soldered this right onto the nano, would have fried it right away. .2 isn't quite enough to run the display, and 15 volts is way too much. There we go. So I'm getting 5 out. And my nano. So that's my ground. That's my 5 volts in. So ground and 5 right here. Let's tin these. Ground to ground. Five volts to 5 volts. It's alive! Looks like it came with blink on it from the factory. Just move that down a bit. Let's get some double-sided tape. Now, we have a nano. Well, we have a battery with a charging circuit going to a boost converter, which raises a 4.2 up to 5 volts for the nano, which can power, black is ground, a display, perfect. Now, let's get the software on here so I can run my death clock. Death clock. Change to display capture. Here it is. Write seconds to death. This is my estimate. And at the end it prints out death is near. So I'm going to plug my nano in to the computer. I think I'm on COM 8. What do you call this? Device manager. Yeah, COM 8. Upload. seconds to death. Perfect. And if I unplug it, I don't lose my death counter. Contrast is a bit off. And I can run it off USB as it's charging. There we go. I have my own little constant version, or constant reminder of my mortality. And if I unplug it, I don't lose my timer. Perfect. I hope you enjoyed that. And don't forget to like and subscribe. If you want any of the parts for your own death counter, you can click on the links in the description. I get a small kickback from those. And if you want to get the code, I will have the code available on Dropbox for you. And the music you heard was Nightlights by Kiki, was Kiki Goes to Tokyo by Nightlights. And to find your own death clock, you go to deathclock.com and you can get your estimate. Here's one. So I have 755,685,181 seconds left to live, according to this one. I used an app on my phone to get my death clock number for this, and it was slightly more optimistic. It gave me over 1 billion seconds. So I hope you found this useful, and I hope you make your own and enjoy it very much. Thanks for watching. Goodbye, YouTube.